Hello everyone, I just created this n8n automation which creates this kind of amazing SEO audit reports, which is really useful for marketing and SEO agencies itself. And at the end of this video I'll be sharing the templates of this whole automation for free, so you can set up this for yourself or even for your clients. So this is really detailed and really amazing, good looking, which really converts, right? So we have this all, and finally we have CTA and all these things. As you can see, the home page, and then we have final CTA, which will be maybe a kind of link that you want to attach, maybe a website. So this is the main automation. It starts with a form in here, but obviously if you are setting this up on client's website, so it will be starting with the webhook. Don't worry, just set up this via webhook. So I will show you how you can do that as well in this video. So let me execute this workflow. So for that, all you have to do is just change these things. So for webhook, you'll be changing this part, and then we have like the full name and all these things that you have to change, and that's it. You don't have to change anything else. And here is the actual form. We have a website URL, email, and full name. And the actual platform that we will be using, like we will be sending website URL, and then we will be getting a data about the website, and then we will be formatting that old data that we got from a platform called data to SEO to actual report that we can use. So the link will be given in here. So all you have to do is just create an account, and what we are doing in here is we are passing the website URL, and then next page, which is initially I've set it up like 50, but you can go with what you want. 50 works best for me. And then we have this HTTP, in which like we are ping back URL. So this is basically a webhook. So once this whole system is completed, like this step is completed, it will send the data back to our webhook so that we can receive it, right? So the platform is really amazing that we are using for SEO data, and by the way, it charge like very less, so you don't have to worry about pricing. Obviously for your client you have to like add around $5, and initially you can get the idea, like it initially it come up with $1, and I have tested like around 100 reports and still have 0.9 dollars still in my credits, so you can like imagine that. And then we have the final workflow, in which we have like once we have this step is done, it will send the data to this step, and then we have a webhook which will be receiving all this stuff. And then let's execute this workflow to understand this properly. And the main part of this whole workflow is basically this HTML report part, which is a code. So this is around 700 line of code, and by the way, I haven't written it. I have used AI, basically Claude, to do this for me. And in here you can change this business name in here, like so the variable called business name. Obviously, let's suppose if you are setting up this for my agency, which is Automexa, so here all you have to do is change the business name to Automexa in here. So we have a global variable, so you don't have to be like worry about and changing all these stuff. And then we have a actual URL for CTA. So in here, when we will like book a review, so it goes to this link. So if you want to like add in your URL, you can do this, and that's it. And in this step, as you can see, we got the report, and then we are converting that back to binary and then file, so that we can get a file like this, and then we are sending it via email. So gmail.com, let me open my email. As you can see, we have received an email along with our report. So all we need is our report. Perfect, here you go. So this is the report. Really amazing, right? So if you need the JSON blueprint of this whole automation, you can comment the word SEO and I'll share it with you. And for those of guys who are SEO and marketing agencies, so you can comment me or reach out to me, and I'll create this for you and integrate it in your website. Thank you. Daud Khan signing off.